The question on page 97 shows a catapult launching a boulder with an initial velocity of 184 feet per second. The height of the boulder, h, in feet after t seconds, can be modeled using the function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 184t plus 20. How long does it take for the boulder to reach its maximum height? What is the maximum height? And they're asking us to explain your reasoning. So we've got a classic example of a quadratic, something with an x squared, modeling a ball, or in this case a catapult, launching a boulder up into the air that's eventually going to come back to the ground. So we're going to approach this graphically. Negative 16x squared plus 184x plus 20 is what we're going to approach this with the idea of. So I have negative 16x squared plus 184x plus 20 is my equation. As I said, to expect that the state knows that we're allowed to use these calculators, so they're going to make you probably most likely zoom out a few times in order to be able to see the entire flight of the catapult or the ball. So I've zoomed out a few times, and now it looks like I can actually see the top of the boulder being launched. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to zoom box. And it looks like I went a little bit too far. So I'm going to still make sure that I can see the bottom and the top. I'm going to zoom box again. I'm going to make a mistake. And now I can see the boulder, its entire flight, and everything like that. The easiest way, I think, to find the maximum is going to menu, analyze maximum, and surround that maximum point. I end up with 5.75 and 549. So let's go see what this question's actually asking. 5.75, 549 was the maximum. So I'm going to just write that here. 5.75, comma 549 is the coordinate of the maximum. How long does it take the boulder to reach its maximum height? Well, they're telling me that t is the amount of time in seconds, so it's going to take 5.75 seconds to reach the maximum height. And then it also asked me what the actual maximum height is, and the maximum height will be 549, and I guess I should make sure I have the proper units. So this is the boulder height in feet, so it's 549 feet above the ground. And then it asked me to explain my reasoning, and you can simply say I graphed h of t and found the maximum. Found the maximum time is x and height is y.